I'm Executive Director Kevin Robertson, and this is the KDA Video Minute for Friday, January 23rd. We're going to spend most of our time today talking about legislative issues. First of all, the Registered Dental Practitioner Bill has been introduced. There actually are two bills, one in the House, one in the Senate. The Senate bill is Senate Bill 49. The House bill is House Bill 2079. So mid-levels and dental practitioners, again, this legislative session are a real thing. It is on the agenda, and it is something that we'll need to be aware of. Also, we know, talking to the Senate Committee Chairman on Public Health and Welfare, there is a hearing scheduled for later in February. So we know that this year there will be a hearing on that Senate Bill 49. We need you to be in touch with your legislators and contact them and let them know about your concerns about registered dental practitioners. This last Wednesday was the Kansas Dental Project's Legislative Day. So the Kansas Dental Project is the organization that supports registered dental practitioners. It was their legislative day. So on Wednesday, the legislators were hit pretty hard with proponents of a mid-level. So again, if you have talked with legislators in the past, last fall or maybe last year, and you think that they don't support mid-levels, it's still a good idea to talk to them again. What happens is, you hear a new idea or the latest arguments, and sometimes those legislators start to waver. We need to get back in touch with them and again reiterate our concerns about the dental practitioner bill. All this legislative activity really hits home the point that we need your participation, dentist participation, participation from your dental assistants or anyone else in the office that would like to come in our February 5th Dental Day. That's our legislative day where we'll meet with legislators and talk to them about our issues. So we really want you to attend. Please look at the click that's included on this particular video minute and go ahead and register today. The more people that can attend, the more we can have a say in what happens this legislative session. Please also take a minute to look at and consider seriously your participation in helping build the membership for Kansans for Quality Dentistry. We talked about that a little bit more in depth last week, but it's really essential that we work with the organizers of that organization to help them build their membership of non-dentists that are interested in being part of the fight for whether it's mid-levels or dental practitioners, but to be an advocate with the dentist. So please take that seriously and talk to families and family members, friends, patients about being part of Kansans for Quality Dentistry. Just so you know, we have been getting a lot of calls in our office about ethics CE. Last year the dental board did change the requirement that of your CE hours, your 60 CE hours for relicensure, 2 of those have to be ethics. Kansas Dental Association is working, has had some discussions with putting together some CE sessions on ethics around the state. We'll be getting that information out to you as soon as we can get some things organized, but we are certainly planning to do some ethics and hope that you will be able to attend and be involved in that later on this summer. Let's finish today with talking about the Kansas Mission of Mercy. It's coming up in Salina, February 13th and 14th. If you have not registered already, again, we'd like you to get registered so we can have your name and get an idea of how many volunteers we have, how many dentists we'll have working chairs Friday afternoon, Saturday morning, and Saturday afternoon. So please get that registration done. Then also, just yesterday in the House Committee on Health and Human Services, I was able to do a presentation to that committee and talk about the Kansas Mission of Mercy, the great work that we've done, that you've all done over the last 13 MOM projects with our 14th coming up. And just to reiterate by the numbers, Kansas Mission of Mercy, 24,000 patients treated, $13 million in free dental care over that period of time. 726 dentists have participated in at least one MOM project of the 1,518 licensed dentists in our state. Fantastic record. We hope you'll be part of it. And if you haven't been to a MOM project yet, there's no time like the present to get involved and participate and volunteer for KMOM Salina. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend, and we will see you next week with the KDA Video Minute.